Welcome back, guys. So, this series I will continue, and I'll be dealing on how you can calculate sample size from a given population for the study. So, and the formula we'll be dealing here with is the Taro Yamane and simple percentage. That's the two means of calculating sample that is given here. Firstly, we'll be dealing with the Taro Yamane, and let me tell you briefly about Taro Yamane. Taro Yamane formula was created by Taro Yamane in 1967 for statistics and social science students. So you can see, I basically told you that if you're a social science student, this application will be very useful for you in calculating your sample size and your data analysis. So Taro Yamane provide a simplified formula to calculate sample size, and it gives room for allowable error. Even if there is an error in your sample, in population, so it will be catered for. So I'll be showing you the Taro Yamane now. So this, you can see the pictorial representation of the formula, whereby n is a small letter n stands for the sample size required or sample derived. The capital letter n stands for the number of population you are considering, and the E stands for allowable error. And you can also set your marginal error in order to get to determine a reliable sample size. So, and this is the Taro Yamane formula, and can be used to calculate your sample size. So let's provide a given population here. Let's consider 3,000 as our population size. You can set down, then you can set any of these marginal error as provided here. It determines on how you can undo the population size, because each will give you different results, and the larger your sample size, the bigger your responsibility of sampling them. So, but majorly mostly people set for this 0.10, because it will give you an already lesser sample size and reliable. So if you click on this calculate, you'll be given 96 as our sample size. So if you switch to 0.05 calculate, you'll be given a different sample size. So the third one here, which is the first on the list, is we're given 2,307. So whichever of the sample size you feel deemed fit for your study, for your research, you can set anyone and use. So then you set the sample size. Understood? And the second one here is the simple percentage. This is quite simple to make use of. What you just do is it will determine a percentage of the formula from 0 to 99. So determine its percentage will be considering for your sample size. So let's given a population of 5,682 as a population size, and you will be going with, let's say, 10% of this population, that you want to sample 10% of this population. So if you click on the 10%, just click on calculate. You can see. So that means you'll be going for 568 samples of your responder. This is the number of sample size you'll be considering if you are using 10%, and you can change the percentage, maybe 25 to give you different results, 75 here you give give you different results. I can also create a custom sample size. Let's say I'll be considering 5% on this sample size. And see, to give us 284. So you can either use the Taro Yamane formula or the simple percentage formula, depending on your choice of calculating your sample size. It's as easy as this, and when you are done determining your sample size, you just click on this set sample size. Automatically will be transferred to your sample size saved. So that's the thing, is how you can calculate the sample size using this application without issue. Thanks for watching.